Hi, Tableau family. This is us again coming from Tableau Masters. Just wanted to let you guys know that we have a dashboard competition coming up on October 1st, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a dashboard competition that we have for open for anybody to participate. So with this dashboard competition, the idea is we are all using the data source life expectancy. So if you want to participate, all you have to do is go online and Google a data set about life expectancy, world life expectancy with different countries. So all you need to do is download that data set for life expectancy and create some visualizations, create a dashboard, um, make sure your dashboard is professional. It is a dashboard that a company would actually use. And when you're satisfied with your dashboard, feel free to publish it to Tableau Public and also attend the meeting that we have Sunday, October 1st, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, it is open for everyone, anybody who would like to participate in the competition. So why would you invest your time to actually participate in something like this? The reason is because when you are looking for a Tableau developer job, recruiters and hiring managers, they want to see your portfolio. They want to see what you have done in the past. So if you do have a nice Tableau public profile with multiple dashboards, that will increase your chances of getting hired. So this is something that can actually help you. And then when we do the meeting on Sunday, we are going to be using Zoom and we are going to post the Zoom link on the description posted under this video. So everyone is welcome. We highly recommend everyone to participate and everyone will be given a chance to present your dashboard, walk us through what you were thinking as you were creating the dashboard. So we hope to see you guys on Sunday. And just an announcement from us, Tableau Masters is a place where you can take a Tableau class from beginner's level. We do teach you and get you ready to be certified as a Tableau desktop specialist. So feel free to contact us. You can see our phone number and our website on the screen. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. So why take Tableau class? So Tableau is a widely used software that companies are using to analyze how their business is doing, create dashboards. So, and these jobs, most of them are work from home, and you are making six figures working from home, being able to spend more time with your family. So we do encourage you guys participate in this. And the advantage of taking the class with us is we do have a big community of users that if you need any questions when you're at work, you can always reach out to our instructors. You can also reach out to some of the people in our community at any time. So we hope this was helpful. Hope to see you guys on Sunday. And for those who are thinking about taking a Tableau course, just go to our website, tablewmasters.com, and you'll find a lot of helpful information there. So hope to see you guys soon. You have a good day.